Hi Hannah, thanks for today's problem. Part of the Louvre is a square pyramid with base length of x, volume v, and perpendicular height h. So we've got the square pyramid up here in the Louvre, and we've got the base length h is given by the formula x equals the square root of 3v over h. Find the value of h given that v equals 8,200 and x equals 35. And we need to answer correct to the nearest whole number. So I like to use the cubes word problem solving strategy. So the C stands for circle the numbers. So V equals 8,200 and X equals 35. You'll notice that I'm using colors here as well. So X is in pink, V is in green, and H is in blue. So we could put this one as pink as well. Find the value is the underline part. Box the keywords. So we're using this formula. Sometimes you'll need to work out or remember what the formula is. This time we're given it to us, so we can just use it. On the next slide, I'll eliminate what you don't need. So you can see I've just got the formula now. So really, that's all we need to use. We need to find the value of h, and we're told that v equals 8,200 and x equals 35. So we can put in the information that we know into the formula. So we know that 35 equals the square root of 3 times 8,200 over h. And I'm keeping in this part. Answer correct to the nearest whole number as well. So back to this part, 35 equals the square root of 3 times 8,200 over h. We need to square both sides. So 35 squared equals the square root squared, which gives us 35 squared equals 3 times 8,200 over h. Then multiply both sides by h, which gives us h times 35 squared equals 3 times 8,200. You could actually calculate the 35 squared part and the 3 times 8,200 if that's confusing. So now we have solve h equals 3 times 8,200 over 35 squared, which we can just type into our calculator. And we get h equals 3 times 8,200 over 35 squared, which equals 20 to the nearest whole number. So you need to round the 20.08. The last part of the cube's problem solving strategy is, does the answer make sense? So substitute back into the formula. 3 times 8,200 over 20 equals 35.07. And because of the rounding, it's a little bit off, which is fine. So we say yes. We then answer the problem, and the perpendicular height is 20 to the nearest whole number. And we're done. Good luck.